Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to make Bluetooth device auto connect on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to auto connect your Bluetooth devices like headphone or Bluetooth speaker, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here services. Click on these services. In this you have to find Bluetooth support service. Just select any one service, then press B key. Scroll down. Here you will find Bluetooth support service. Double click on that. You have to make sure startup type should be automatic. Click on apply, then click on start, then click on OK. After that, just close this window. Right click on your start menu, then click on device manager. Here you will find your Bluetooth driver. Double click on that. You have to uninstall all your Bluetooth driver. Right click on that, click on uninstall. You have to uninstall one by one. After uninstalling, close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Again you have to open the services. In this you need to find Bluetooth audio gateway service properties. Here you will find Bluetooth audio gateway service properties. Double click on that, then make sure that startup type should be automatic. Click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After that you need to find Bluetooth user service. Here you will find Bluetooth user support service. Double click on that. Select automatic, click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still it is not working, then try the final method. Click on start menu, then click on settings, then click on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down. Here you will find view more devices. You can see here more Bluetooth settings. Click on this. In this, under options you will find this discovery. Under discovery you will find one option, allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC. You have to make sure this check mark. Click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can make Bluetooth device auto connect on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.